Are you looking for new and used, high-quality luxury items for a cheap discounted price? Want to look expensive but buy luxury items on a budget? Well, you've clicked the best video for where to buy luxury designer bags and shoes and sneakers from your favorite brands like Balenciaga, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, YSL, etc. for up to 30 to 70% discounted prices. I'm also going to show you guys how to get extra discounts as well from the sites, so go ahead and stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amor Antasia. I do lifestyle videos, beauty videos, hairstyles, and some fashion videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a luxury haul. These are just some luxury items that I've collected over time. But for you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys where to shop for luxury items for cheap and discount. And these are basically just the stores, top stores, legitimate stores to shop for luxury items that are on a budget, or discounted prices, they're cheap, and then sales, of course. So first and foremost, this is a pandemic, okay? So I'm not braggadocious or anything like that. I just know that a lot of people are looking for luxury items, or they like specific types of brands and they don't want to pay high dollars for it. So I've been lurking and looking, and I have the list of stores. So stay tuned. So this is the GG belt. It retails for about $350, depending on which stores, but most of them $350. Even Saks. This is the GG belt that everybody loves to wear. And honestly, Saks has the best sales. I'm gonna go ahead and give you that spoiler. It has the best sales, but of course I can wear children's sizes as well. So the belt retails for about $350, but for children's, I saw it for about $250. So as far as the Gucci belt, it's just a leather belt to me. I just honestly got it because of the double G's. I want to get a smaller one, but I got one from Shein. It's not Gucci, of course, but it's just the small brown version. And it's like similar to the GG. So if you don't want to spend that much money for a belt, then just get the dupes, because it's just a belt, honestly. And so another dupe would be it's a little bigger and more sturdier with like real leather. This is a belt from Express. This is just their double circle belt. And it does come in gold as well. And I think in a tan color belt. So for shoes, these are the Balenciaga trainers. Now, all of my shoes are brand new. I would not buy consignment shoes because why would you do that? So yeah. But these are the black and white versions. I actually they're dirty because I went to my aunt's house. My grandmother's house, and there's like grass stains all over them. So these basically feel like socks. That's honestly what they feel like with Balenciaga inside of them. They're just sock shoes, but they're trainers. They actually feel really good. If you have a pair of Yeezys, you know what I'm talking about. The inside feels really good, especially when you're working out. But these are like leisure workout type of shoes for me, so that's why I got them. Also, I wear a size 7 in boys, so I got the cheaper version. But for those of you who wear adult sizes, you can get them anywhere, I guess, for the retail price. So Neiman's has them, Saks has them, but you can also find them for cheaper on StockX. That's where I got these from, StockX. But I'll get to that in a minute, like the actual sites to buy the tennis shoes and stuff from. All right, so next I have a pair of Yeezys that I got from StockX. I got these from StockX before I knew that they were at Dick's for $220. So don't let these people make you spend $350 like the others that I have. I don't even know where they are right now. I have these in black and wheat, the Yeezy trainers, Yeezy Boost 350. And so these are the newest ones that I have. These are, oh, look, the little keychain that comes with it from StockX. It's too cute. So this is a size US 7 in boys or whatever. And I got these from StockX. They look cream, but they're actually like off-white, basically. I thought they were cream, which is why I got these. So make sure you look at the pictures really closely in detail. These are the Adidas Yeezys, and they retail for anywhere from like $220 to $350. But do not pay $350 for these shoes. You can get them online at Dicks.com for $220, or you can get them a little cheaper at StockX. They feel good and they're cute. So I've not worn these because this is the little StockX stuff that comes in it. I just don't want to get them dirty yet, and I bought these last year. So here's the list for the stores. So Tjmaxx. I went to the Tjmaxx in Chicago on Michigan Avenue, and then there's one on State Street. But the one on Michigan Ave has Fendi galore, like Gucci, Fendi, all of that. I saw a Fendi book bag for like $8.50, and I'm sure it retails for like $16. So Tjmaxx, if you go to the luxury areas of your town, like if you live here in St. Louis, go to the ones that's like Ladue area or like West County. And then if you're in Chicago, of course, downtown. And then of course, you know, places like LA, all those Goodwills and stuff, they have Tjmaxx or whatever, they have real luxury items that are on sale. Next is Goodwill. Goodwill in the same areas. They have a lot of luxury whole departments that you can shop luxury. Of course, you'll have to ask them to see them, but you know, they're like priced 40–50% off. Okay, so Rebag. This is a recent site that I found, and this is where I saw the Gucci Marmont mini bag at for about $600 or $700. One was $800. But Rebag is just basically a simple website that has consignment or gently used bags for a discount. So, and then they have sales as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some of the exact sites, like, and how to maneuver and, you know, really finesse your way to getting a cheaper bag. So what I love about this site is that they do sales. And on top of the sales, if you do sign up, you get an extra $200 off or whatever. So anyway, they also have limited, you know, layaways basically. And so anyway, I'm a cash kind of girl. So they have like Chanel bags on sale. They have where you can sell your items as well. They have things that are cheap down to like $800, $500. Like all these Christian Dior bags. This mini saddle bag is $19.55, but it retails for $29.55. So this is a steal. This site is a really good site to compare along with StockX first. I would go to StockX first and then here to find little sales. And they also have random sales of the day, which you can save extra money on top of saving your first purchase sale. Because everybody knows, you know, once you sign up for emails, you get like an extra $50 to $200 off. So I would use that method right there to get the most off for the prices. So Rebag is a really, really good legitimate site. And so Saks and Bergdorf. Of course, you guys know about Saks. To me, Saks is the biggest major retailer that has the best luxury sales. Like I said, I saw a YSL envelope bag for $9.40. $9.40. They retail for $12, okay? $12. And it was a small bag, not the mini, the small. So definitely check out Saks and Bergdorf. And if you know somebody that works there, they can invite you to one of their like secret sales like Louboutin has. So next is Farfetch. Farfetch is definitely a good luxury site. They do run sales, but you know, you'll have to sign up for their email list and stuff like that. But Farfetch has a lot of tennis shoes, sneakers, luxury sneakers, as well as bags and clothing items. So if you want to shop for Fendi outfits or clothes or whatever in general, definitely shop at Farfetch. Fashion File is another store. They have used and new items. So I'm gonna try to show some of what the sites look like and things that I found while I was on there at the sales. But I pretty much have found these places on Instagram looking for designer bags. So Fashion File is another place that has sales and stuff like that. So shop there. Okay, so even while I was editing this video, I happened to go to Fashion File under 1000 section, and I found a Neverfull for $9.80. And I think it's a medium one, but they had a lot of good stuff. Okay, it's $9.20. They had a lot of good stuff, period, for under $1,000. And this is a steal. It retails for about $1,500. This is a PM. Okay, well, it retails for $14, I think. But still, I think I want to go ahead and get it. So if not, then you guys can go online and get it right now. And then make sure that you sign up for the first purchase, the email thing, and then you'll get like an extra $100 off or whatever. Now, the Real. I like the Real just as much as I like Rebag because they actually, all of these places have real items, but they have better sales at the Real. And they have like swift sales. Like I found a Neverfull for $9.80. Now, I mean, they're already like $1,400. Somebody got it so quickly. So yeah, make sure you have your notifications on for these sites. So Depop is another site as well. They're online, and then I checked the Instagram as well for their some of their items. It's basically consignment. They have some used is consignment. So you can shop there, but they're gently used for the most part. So they're like new, honestly. And then this is a secret gem. This is called TheVault St. Louis. It's a luxury thrift store. They have clothes, shoes, jewelry, everything. It's here in St. Louis. It's in the Brentwood area. And they have an online site now. They have an online store, but mostly Instagram is where you'll find the new releases. That's where they post them the quickest, Instagram. So they have like Chanel bags for like $1,500, $2,300 when they retail for like $4,000 and $5,000. So you could definitely work with them. I think they do have plans as well, like payment plans. So definitely check out TheVault, okay? And save a few bags for me, okay? And so the last store I would just say is a bunch of IG stores, Instagram stores. Make sure that they're not fake though, but just look up the hashtag designer bags and then luxury bags and then Yeezys. But Yeezys are so cheap, they're like $220. Jordans are like $150 and $190, so you can find those types of tennis shoes anywhere. But the best place to shop for luxury tennis shoes, like Gucci tennis shoes, Louis Vuitton tennis shoes, Balenciaga, go to StockX. StockX and Farfetch. StockX and Farfetch. Trust me, those are the best places for new shoes. StockX has new shoes. Okay, you can bid on them or you can just buy them as is, but they have the best sales and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Comment below any places that you know of or Instagram stores that you know of that sell authentic luxury items, and comment below what your favorite brand is, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, or what is it that you have your eye on. Maybe I can help you out and I'll respond in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Also, make sure you guys check out my fashion hauls. I have a lot of like bougie on a budget, stylish type of fashion hauls to where you can look more expensive on a budget using more affordable stores. And so make sure you guys check out the playlist that will be linked in my description box along with these luxury stores. Bye!